Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever part of the world that you're watching. Thank you for following me on École Sénégal, and I hope that you're learning and I hope that you're practicing both in written and orals. And if you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. So today we're working on the prepositions, like exercises. Remember our last class that we talked about prepositions and what they were and when to use them and examples of them. So today we're going to be looking at the preposition of place and time, and so these are some exercises on the board, and I want us to work together, and hopefully that you will practice with me and practice more at home so that you can get accustomed or used to or comfortable with prepositions. Okay, and so we have number one: the crow was flying dash the house. The crow, it's a bird, the crow, okay? And so what is it going to be? Flying, c'est ça, envolé. So what is it? Is it going to be above, below, on, or under? Above, sous. Below, en dessous. On, sur, under, it's simply en dessous. So what is it going to be? The crow was flying what? You're right. Above. The crow was flying above the house. Number two, his house is just dashed to the road. The road, c'est la route. Is it going to be past, passé, across, à travers, below, en dessous, towards, vers? So his house is just what? What would that be? Past the road, across the road, below the road, or towards the road? The house is just across. Across. Across de l'autre côté. Quickly he ran dash the tree. Quickly, aussi vite il a couru dash l'arbre. On, over, past, down. Quickly he ran past the tree. He was just sitting, and sitting is double T, okay? He was sitting dash his best friend, meilleur ami. Under, up, close to, before, avant. So he was sitting close to his best friend. Proche de. Close to his best friend. His ship, son bateau. His ship sailed dash on the coast. On, sur, above, en dessous. Along, à travers, under. The ship sailed along. His ship sailed along the coast. His ship sailed along the coast. Number 6, over there. Number 6. We will meet for dinner, dash. We will meet for dinner at 9 p.m. At. The fruits of hard work become ripe at years, in years, on years. The fruits of hard work become ripe in years. In years. We will have a family get-together. A get-together is a family reunion. Okay, c'est un rassemblement des familles et tout. That's get together. Se rassembler. La famille se rassemble. Okay, so we will have a family get together at Christmas, on Christmas, in Christmas. We'll have a family get together. What would that be? At Christmas. At Christmas. Like Christmas. If you can put it in right here. There you go. I meet my family at months on occasions, on months on occasion, in months on occasion. I meet my family in months. In months on occasion. India got independence in 1947, at 1947, on 1947. Indian got independence in 1947. And the last one, my birthday falls at 6th December, on 6th December, in 6th December. My birthday falls, how would that be? Do you know? My birthday falls on 6th December. In, on. So we have at, in, and on. And then, of course, we have the other prepositions that you can use. And I hope that you practice, and I wish you to learn, okay? Thank you.
www.suividecolosenegal.com